We live in a more toxic environment than our ancestors, and detox is just as important for men as it is for women, and it doesn't involve silly teas or fancy expensive waters. So today I'm going to offer you some detox tips and one detox supplement. Our bodies detox naturally if the liver, gut and kidneys are healthy, so that's the first step. We also need a high redox potential, which I'll go to in another video. But for today, let's focus on the lymph system, which is the fluid that has its own circulation and is key for detoxing and also your immune system. To stimulate lymph drainage, you can use a rebounder, which is like a mini trampoline, a vibration or power plate, which is often found in a gym, or you can just exercise, especially if it involves rolling around on the floor like Pilates or somatics or jiu-jitsu. Now, there are the 3 Gs, glutathione, glycine and glucaric acid, that are important for detox too. Now, glucaric acid is found in things like Brussels sprouts and cabbage, but you can get more by taking a supplement called calcium-D-glucarate, especially if you don't like cabbage and Brussels sprouts. And calcium-D-glucarate is important for removing synthetic or xenoestrogens from your bloodstream, and calcium-D-glucarate is really easy to find in capsule form. Now, detox is a big and interesting topic, so I'll be posting more, but thanks for watching and feel free to comment.